Howdy folks, welcome back to WanderEats. Right now I'm checking into ibis IMPACT Bangkok. Alright, let's check out the room. Well folks, this is the room. I already checked in actually, but I just wanted to take you guys on a little tour. And yeah. So first and foremost, as you come in on the left hand side, you'll have the restroom. Very odd shape, but more than enough space. And you have the shower, and that is where they put in the body soap and shampoo, 2-in-1. The towels are all down there. Right, and then I shall leave the door open for a while. So here is where you find, of course, the TV, remote control is placed down there. Is the cabinet on the left hand side first, and that's where you find your coffee, complimentary, and Dilmah tea as well. So the coffee that they give here, no idea the brand, but yeah, and the safe deposit boxes. Okay, and what I love is that they have extra pillow here, right? So, and over here is where the study table is, and also where you can put your luggage. There's a fridge here as well, of course. Oops, wow, it's very tight. There you go. All right, it's cold, not too cold, but more than enough. And here's where all the plug points are. There you go. One thing I love, of course, this is a complimentary water. They have the USB ports, and this is the actually the full UK switch plug points. Yep, didn't even need adapter. Cool. You can control the lights here, telephone, and on the left side of the bed is where you find the temperature control, and that's where you need an adapter here, unfortunately, but there's also a USB slot there as well. In terms of view, I believe this faces the main road. Yeah, and that's the pedestrian walk all the way to Cosmo Walk. Definitely gonna check out that spot. And that's where the lights, as you can see, that's Novotel Hotel, and that large building there is Impact Exhibition Hall. That's where I'll be actually, and my main purpose here too. So I'll be staying here for 4 nights, and this comes with breakfast. So I'm gonna hopefully take you guys out to show you guys around the breakfast spread, the breakfast buffet spread. Right, breakfast time. Soy milk. That's interesting. Boiled rice with seafood. Hearty breakfast option. Fruits and vegetables. So all the condiments, sauces here. Mindful cooking. Not bad. Hard-boiled eggs, chicken ham and chicken sausages, pork ham and pork sausages. This is the egg pork in sweet and brown sauce. This is a pan-fried chicken, 2 forms of rice, jasmine rice. Nice. omelette has arrived. Let's cut it out. Wow. Cheese and ham inside as well. Took some Maggi seasoning. Threw in some garlic. Yeah, this should be awesome. Well, it's been a great 3-night stay here at ibis IMPACT Bangkok, and it's very convenient, especially if you're going to IMPACT Convention Center for expo, exhibition, or whatever business side of things. And it's really convenient. The covered walking path there all the way there to whichever hall is super convenient. There's a 7-Eleven nearby, and of course Cosmo Bazaar, which you will see the video either probably after this video. Is a great bazaar for dining, especially the street food. And also AEON MaxValu is open 24 hours. Talk about convenience. So yeah, and in terms of the hotel, the breakfast selection is good. They do change some of the Thai selections every day, which is very welcomed, and the service here is impeccable. So yeah, if you're considering coming to Nonthaburi, Dortmund, then this is a great hotel for you to consider. Alright, so I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe if you have not done so, as your support will be immensely helpful to the channel. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next videos. Ciao!